So, for this question, like I've mentioned before, so if hindi relevant sa diploma mo, yung job title or job description mo sa current work mo ngayon na i-declare mo for the digital nomad visa in Spain, then yes, kailangan mo ng 3 years or more na work experience. Of course, dito magkakatalo yung kung gaano ka-strong yung application mo dyan sa second question mo. So, yes, kailangan mo ng COE, kailangan mo yung contract. It would be best if ma-provide mo yung invoices, yung ITR, just to have this solid legal proof that you have been working for more than 3 years sa industry na to. So, yun kasi yung mahirap i-verify, right? Yung contract, yung COE, kasi it's easily doable like sa Canva or something. So, definitely, as an additional, like, proof or additional thing to make your application stronger, pwede din yung SSS certificate mo if naghuhulog ka sa maybe sa SSS or sa PhilHealth mo. Anything that can be a legal proof, basically, dun sa years of experience mo. So, of course, hindi ka masyado mag-worry dito if yung client mo from 3 years ago, more than 3 years ka na sa kanila. Kasi sila yung main document mo sila yung main client mo. So, basically, it is kinda mas lax, kumbaga, yung documentation for that.